on YouTube. It is your boy 007. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to loop YouTube videos on your mobile devices. Now, this is a feature which YouTube is testing, so it might not be available on all devices. So currently, I have the YouTube app open here. Okay, so I have this video playing right now, and if I should click the three dots in the top right corner, as you can see here, we have the option to loop video. So if you simply tap on loop video and press the three dots, as you can see, loop video is on. So let's see what happens when we get to the end of the video. Let's put it close to the end. And let's give it a few seconds to play and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the video started to play again. So this feature, as I've said, is not implemented throughout the entirety of YouTube. However, it will be available to a few persons. It is basically a feature which is being tested, and this is how it will look whenever it launches. So if you found this video interesting, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker 007 out.